Hello there, welcome to my first video vlog. I'd like to just talk about my FOREX trading system. It's quite simple, don't get confused by all the lines and trend lines you see. It's very simple. I just work off trends and Fibonacci's. It's been working very well lately. It's quite a new system, so I'd appreciate any feedback that you feel I'm happy to give. So here we can see the beginning of the crisis, and so I drew a Fibonacci between the bottom and the top of this, which is the yellow lines that you see. I also drew another fib between this point, and it's surprising how some of these lines actually match up, and a lot of the price action does match up roughly with these lines quite often, so it's a very useful indicator. The current trend is downwards. As you can see, I've just drawn in these lines. They're not perfect, but it gives you a rough idea when it's reached the top or the bottom of that trend channel. So as you can see, it's broken out within the last couple of weeks, but it's now fallen back. So I would expect that it would continue down. So it's a very bearish outlook for now. I've also drawn a very short-term Fibonacci between here and here, just as another way to back up my decision here. So look at the hourly chart. I'll show you the last trade I made. It had reached an important point up here. I went short here. I was expecting it to come down, and it stopped here on this, around about this fib. So I thought, yeah, I might cover this, but unfortunately, a couple of hours later, it really tanked. So I missed out on some pips there, but it was still, a very significant trade. I trade small lots. I suggest you trade small lots too at the beginning. And I'm not looking at trading anytime soon unless this comes up and hits this overall trend, this long-term trend here, which you can see here. If it comes back up to hit that, I'll be looking to go short. I also trade the Euro AUD because I'm in Australia, obviously, and I think Australia has a much better long-term outlook than Europe. As you can see, the trend is way down. It's right at the bottom now, so I do have a long trade in, which kind of goes against my judgment, but it's working out. It's right at the bottom of this channel, so I couldn't resist. So I'll be looking to get out at around this Fibonacci point here, which is an obvious exit point. I have a stop loss very within 30 pips of my buy price, so it's just a little bit of a gamble. So just stay with me over the coming days. I'll post whenever I make a trade, what I'm looking at. I'll keep you up to date. So just keep an eye on things. Give me some suggestions, and I'll see you soon.